Channels like ChuChu TV generate over $80,000 with just one upload a week and pull in millions of views every single day. Now here's the crazy part. This content is 100% monetizable, highly repeatable, and much simpler to create than you think. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can create nursery rhymes like these using free AI tools. Now let's move to the first step: idea generation. Open ChatGPT and write this command. I am starting kids channel for YouTube. Give me 10 videos ideas like nursery rhymes, ABC song, counting, fruits and vegetables, and similar topics. You can change the number of ideas as per your requirement. Once you enter the command, ChatGPT will generate ideas for you. Next step is to convert your idea into a rhyme, which we can simply call your script. This is a very simple step. Copy a topic and command ChatGPT, write a rhyme on this topic, and press enter. It will generate a fully optimized rhyme script for you with no effort. You get a complete rhyme for your topic. The next step is to generate the voice of your rhyme. It's very simple. AI will do this as well. Go on Suno AI, sign up your account, and paste the rhyme. Select the style, add a title, and generate lyrics. It will give you multiple options for your audio. You just download the most suitable and best one. So that's how your lyrics and voice are ready. The next step is to generate visuals for our rhyme. Go back on ChatGPT and give this command, now give me detailed prompts for every scene to make its animated clips. Also write animation prompts for every visuals. Press enter. It will generate visual prompts for you. Now convert those prompts into visuals. For this, go to Google Labs, paste your prompt, select the ratio 16:9 for image, select image, then animate the image and paste animation prompt. It will generate a video clip for you. Repeat the same process, paste each prompt one by one, and generate visuals for your entire video. Once all the visuals are generated, combine them with your voice in any editing tool. Synchronize the visuals with the audio, add smooth transitions between scenes, and make sure everything flows with the rhythm of the rhyme. Finally, export the video, and your nursery rhyme is ready to upload.
I am a circle round and bright, rolling around with all my might. I am a square with sides so four, all my edges are equal for sure.